Hello and welcome to the Online Teaching and Learning Best Practices course for January 2013. I just wanted to give you a quick tour of the course. And remember, you can pause this at any time, so I'm going to move pretty quickly. First, over here, you'll see the syllabus link. Okay, when you click on that link, it'll bring you to this page, which has a quick guide, syllabus, expectations and policies, and technical requirements. I would check that out before you go anywhere else. If you look in the quick guide, it shows you what we're doing from week to week, the basic themes, the tools we're going to use, and most importantly, where the discussion will take place. It won't all take place in the Blackboard discussion boards. For week 2, it'll take place on VoiceThread. For week 3, it'll be in Campus Pack tools, the blog and the discussion board for Campus Pack. And then week 4, we're back to the discussion board. On the left, you will see over here a link for your practice courses. This is a feature we're going to be using pretty thoroughly within the course. So as we learn things, you'll be adding things to your practice course. Over here will be groups. Some of the work you'll be doing in this course is going to be dependent on your group mates. So when you click here, you will see a list of who is in what group. There are 10 groups in this course. Kind of hidden here, but this is actually the link to get in. Up here, group 1. All right, so if you click on that link, it'll bring you in to your group where you will then have the ability to send files and send emails to each other. As always, if you ever want to get back to where you just were, you can click up here at the top and it'll send you back to where you just were. To start off for week 1, we're going to start with Blackboard basics and some video tutorials. So when you click on that link, it will bring you to a number of different videos with some different exercises. When you are finished with all of that, make sure you click Mark Reviewed because we're using what's called adaptive release. So once you click this that you reviewed, new content will appear above. So if you notice, the Blackboard Basics video tutorials section has moved down because I marked reviewed and it opened up these 3 sections. The optional readings, and then there's a whole section about social presence with an exercise. When you're done with that, once again, click Mark Reviewed. It will open up more content for you. When you're done with that, click Mark Reviewed, and it will open up more. When you're done with that, click Mark Reviewed, and it will open up more and more. Every time you see an icon like this and a title next to it, the title is actually a link. So even though it's not underlined and in blue, it is still a link. So to get to the podcast, you would click there. To get to the article from The Economist, you would click here. Some of the links take you to places off Blackboard. So this link will open up The Economist website. And you can see the article here. I'm going to go back. Week 1 discussions. You'll see the week 1 discussion board there. Each week will open up at the beginning on a Sunday morning. So you'll see week 2 and the week 2 discussions, week 3 and the week 3 discussions, week 4 and the week 4 discussions as those weeks come. Tutorials you can use. This section has a number of videos in it. Remember now, this is a link. And these are videos you can use with your students. So if you want to put this in your own course, these are geared towards students, not faculty. So this is how to post on a blog. In the course of this workshop, you will learn how to create a blog and add it to your course. But this specifically tells you how to add posts to a blog that's already been created. Same thing here with the journal. This teaches you how to subscribe to a discussion board, which you'll probably find useful in this workshop, but your students will also find useful in your course. And this gives you some other tools to use for Blackboard to make it easier to read and navigate. Finally, up here you will see the announcements. Right now there are no announcements in the course, but as I post them, they will get emailed to you, and you will find this recording in an announcement that we posted up later today. Hope you enjoy the course, and if you have any questions, you can contact us by clicking on this faculty information link and shooting us an email. Look forward to working with you.